Ever wonder how your computer thinks? How it manages to perform so many tasks at once, from simple calculations to complex graphics rendering? It doesn't have a brain like ours, but it has something just as important. A CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It's a small but incredibly powerful component. It's the brain of your computer, making everything happen, from booting up your system to running your favorite applications. The CPU is a tiny chip, but it's mighty. Despite its small size, it can perform billions of calculations per second. It processes all the instructions for everything your computer does, every action, every command, every click. The CPU handles it all. From typing a document to playing games, the CPU is in charge. It ensures that your commands are executed swiftly and accurately. Without a CPU, your computer would just be a box of wires and circuits. It would be incapable of performing any tasks. The CPU takes instructions from software programs and translates them into actions. It decodes the instructions and executes them efficiently. It's like the conductor of an orchestra, making sure everything runs smoothly. It coordinates all the components of your computer to work in harmony, ensuring a seamless experience. So, how does the CPU actually process information? Let's dive into the fascinating world of computer processing. It follows a simple yet powerful three-step process: fetch, decode, execute. Fetch. Imagine the CPU has a to-do list, just like you might have for your daily tasks. First, it fetches or retrieves an instruction from the computer's memory, much like picking an item from your list. This instruction tells the CPU exactly what to do next, providing clear directions. Decode. Next, the CPU decodes the instruction, figuring out what it means and how to proceed. Think of it like translating a secret code into understandable actions. Execute. Finally, the CPU executes the instruction, carrying out the task it was given. It performs the task, whether it's adding numbers, moving data, or running a program. The CPU repeats this cycle millions or even billions of times per second, working tirelessly. It's truly amazing how fast and efficiently it works, making our digital lives possible. Let's take a peek inside the CPU, the brain of your computer. It has several important parts that work together seamlessly. Cores are like the CPU's workers, each handling different tasks. A CPU can have multiple cores, allowing it to do several tasks simultaneously, much like a team of workers handling different jobs at the same time. More cores mean faster processing, especially for complex tasks like video editing or gaming. Cache. The cache is the CPU's short-term memory, storing data that the CPU uses frequently. It stores frequently used data so the CPU can access it quickly, reducing the time it takes to retrieve information. Think of it like having your favorite book on your desk instead of in a library miles away, making it much quicker to grab and read. Clock. The CPU's clock sets the speed at which it processes instructions, measured in gigahertz, G8s. A faster clock means the CPU can do more in less time, improving overall performance. Imagine a clock ticking. Each tick represents a cycle of processing, with more ticks per second meaning more work done. Buses. Buses are like highways inside the CPU, allowing data to travel between different parts efficiently. All these parts work together to make your computer run smoothly, ensuring that tasks are completed quickly and efficiently. Section 4. Browsing the web. A CPU's day at the office. So let's say you're browsing the web. What's the CPU doing? Well, when you click a link, the CPU fetches the website's data from the internet. Then it decodes the instructions in the website's code. Finally, it executes those instructions, telling your screen what to display. The CPU is also busy managing other tasks in the background, like checking for emails or updating software. It's a real multitasker. Section 5. The heart of your digital life. The CPU is the heart of your digital life. It powers everything you do on your computer, from writing essays to editing videos to playing the latest games. A faster, more powerful CPU means you can do more in less time. It's like having a super-fast assistant who can handle all your tasks with ease. Next time you use your computer, Take a moment to appreciate the amazing work of the CPU. It's a tiny chip that makes a big difference.